Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you latest method that you can use to record the screen in Windows 10 or Windows 11 without installing any additional software. Before moving toward this video, I just want to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch my all upcoming videos timely. To start the screen recording, what you need to do is to just press the window button along with the G button. After pressing window plus G option, you will see this interface in front of you. By clicking over here, you can take the screenshot. When you click on this button, you can easily start recording. And by clicking on this button, you can mute or unmute your mic. I am going to start recording, so I am going to press this button. Here you will see the recording has been started. If I want to mute my mic, so simply I will click over here. My microphone will be switched off. Now I am going to stop the screen recording. You will see this notification in front of you. Now I am going to access this screen recording. For that purpose, I am going to open this PC option. And here you will see this video folder. When you open this folder, you will see that your recording is there. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.